Good morning, everyone. I look awful, but let me turn this off. However, I thought I'd do like a get ready with me. I'm so not like a beauty person, so my routine in the morning is like 5 minutes. But I thought, why not? Why the heck not? So, thank you for joining my channel. I know you're wondering, like, what does she have on? Maybe I'll probably fix myself up a little to show. I have on my silk satin pajamas. So before we get started, before you watch me do my crazy routine here in the morning, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. So this is highly unnatural for me to even be halfway this happy, halfway this loud in the morning. But for you, I will muster up enough energy to do this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I start my day by coming in here and actually just staring for a while because I'm like, why am I up this early? So what I do is just wash my face and get my face ready and then I've already picked out my outfit, so I'll show you some of that and show you my crazy closet that has gotten all messy since the last time you've seen it. And then we can go from there. So some mornings, depends on how cold it is or how yucky my face is. But I do start off by washing my face. Elta MD, it's a foaming cleanser that's made with apple protein. And it's just it's a nice little enzyme cleaner that gets all the scum off your face. So I put this on. You're supposed to leave it on for a little while. But it foams quite nicely. You saw how it went on clear. It foams very nicely. Alright, that's done. Just dab my face dry here. So once I've done that, I'm not going to moisturize my face just yet because guess who hasn't brushed her teeth? That would be this gal. So let's do that. This is the kind that I use an Oral-B toothbrush. And I just use a regular Listerine. So now that I've done that, I moisturize my face. And I'll show you how I do that. I mix a few things. So I know there's a perception that darker skinned people don't need sunblock, but I use a daily sunblock every day, year round. This one's the Neutrogena Healthy Defense Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen SPF 30. Sometimes I go up as high as, I think, SPF 60. And then I also use for hydration this Aveda Botanical Kinetics. But this one gives me some really nice smooth, clean, light is the word I'm looking for, hydration. And here's my secret weapon. It's rosehip oil. It actually is great on like scars and burns, eczema, wrinkles, things like that. So I just discovered it not too long ago, and it has done a world of difference. Those of you who know me know I've battled with skin issues since puberty. You think like you're as a teenager, oh, I can't wait until I'm an adult so these teenage things, these teenage issues will go away. But no, the stuff's still going on. And actually I pre-mix several of these. I kind of carry them with me, put them in my purse, my backpack, my gym bag, my travel bag. And I just pre-mix these 3 into little jars like this and have my concoction with me wherever I go. For added measure, I'll use some eye cream. The Aveda Green Science Firming Eye Cream. They no longer make this, so you'll have to get the Tulsara Brightening Eye Cream now. That's sort of the product that has replaced it. Take a tiny bit of this, dot it under my eyes. Move here so you can see. Just kind of press press under your eyes. And the purpose of the pressing motion is a couple things. The skin under your eyes is very delicate, so you don't want to be all rough with it. But then also the pressing, if you have any puffing, this helps to break up any of that swelling that you have, or the accumulation of any liquid that you have under your eye. The eye cream I do twice a day, like morning and evening. The last thing I do for face wise is I do moisturize my lips, but I don't do that until I put my clothes on. You've seen my closet before. And then down here is folded laundry and new things that I have not shown you guys yet. So this is a pile of things that I will be doing a haul for at some point. And then this is what I'm wearing today. It's gonna be, what is this, a plaid check? No, houndstooth. Look at that. It's a houndstooth blazer that I got from H&M 1,000,001 years ago. I'm gonna be wearing it with these olive colored leggings, some high socks, and I'm just feeling positive today. So this is the tee I'm gonna be wearing. I think this is an Urban Outfitters tee. But it says, I can and I will. So I've gotten dressed. You saw the things that were, I don't know if you could see it that well, but you saw the things that I had hanging up. I got them on. Still have my hat, my satin cap on that I wear to sleep. I do lotion up with body butter. This is a, super cute, right? This is a body butter from the Body Shop. And right now I am loving this British rose scent that they have. That's what I'm using at the moment. I am absolutely loving it. My signature scent is from, again, the Body Shop. It's their white musk. I either get the Eau de Toilette or the Parfum. And then this one they finally got. It's been out of stock forever. It's the British Rose Eau de Toilette perfume. Since I just got this and I really want to use it, see how it smells, I'm going to use that today. So basically all the pulse points. So you get them coming and you get them going. And how do I do this wig? I wear this silk bonnet, as you know, just to kind of, one, not have my hair catch on anything while I'm asleep. Also to retain the moisture, reduce the breakage, which is the bane of my existence at the moment. Simple thing. I use rose water and glycerin to hydrate it. What I'm using here is not what's in this bottle. I just use this bottle because it's convenient for using like a serum. This is a combination of jojoba oil, coconut oil, rosehip oil, vitamin E oil. What other oils do I have here? Shoot. Some rose oil. And hydrating my hair. I use this to moisturize my hair. And this is my routine every day. Typically my thing is to take a hair tie and put this into a big fluffy ponytail. And that's what I'm going to do with it today. So I just kind of try to fan out the ponytail. And end product is what you will normally see on camera when I do these videos. Try to brush down the edges, the quote-unquote baby hairs. I don't really have that many. I have a hairline that damn near starts in the middle of my head. I've always had a really big forehead, so that's just that. And then the older I get, the bigger the forehead seems to get. I'm gonna pop on some earrings, force a habit. My Haitian father feels like women should not go without wearing earrings, so it has become a habit for me. All right, everyone, here's the complete look. You kind of saw that all hanging up. So this is what it looks like. I look like I'm in costume, I think. I'm about to go ride a horse. So yep, that's a look. Okay guys, all bundled up and ready to go. I have a scarf. It's a knit scarf here that my mom made for me. I have a CC hat. Apparently this is like the popular winter hat for 2018 that I didn't even know. I picked it up from some like Chinese wholesale place. I have on a North Face coat. This has to be the hottest coat I have ever worn in my entire life, and I am from Chicago where it gets really bone chilling cold. Oh my word. Look at all of this snow. There she is. She's super dirty. Oh God. Oh man, this is something that my older brother taught me to do, because he didn't want you to dent his car by kicking the snow off on the side of the car, and obviously his pristine car, you couldn't get snow in it, so you have to clap your heels to get all the snow off before you got into the car. With extensions in her hair, bamboo earrings, at least 2 pair, a Fendi bag and a bad attitude. That's all I need to get me in a mood. She can walk with a switch and talk with sweet slang. I love it when a woman ain't scared to do a thing. Standing at the bus stop, sucking on a lollipop. Once she gets pumping, it's hard to make the hottie stop. She likes to dance to the rap jams. Sweet as brown sugar with the candy yams. Honey coated complexion, use a caramel. I still say, oh, from around the way. Ooh.
So we can go out and eat somewhere. We got a lot of profit. It's no life change. If you could feel how my face felt, you would know how Mace felt. Thank God I ain't too cool for the sake belt. I swear to God,
see this view?
I got a lawyer for the case.
Out of Temptation, there's a Macy's right across the street from where I'm at. There's a ton of shopping temptation, and you'll see that when I actually get to the main street. And that's why I'm able to do hauls every week because I don't resist the temptation. There's Zara. I already showed you Macy's. I have a Nordstrom's rack, but this is a mall. And then down the street are plenty more stores. Oh, here's the Oriental Theater. Cargo tea. All right, this is my chai. Thanks. I get this every morning. Yum, yum, yum. Open to Francesca's. Oh, FML. I'm gonna put this down on my feet. I don't want people to get upset about me filming. It's the last thing we need is for people to be upset. Like other places in Chicago, they will kick your ass. And guess who ain't got time for that today? Me. I ain't trying to get my ass kicked today. Is it bad that I'm headed for another cup of tea? I'm headed to Starbucks.
Hot, no whip.
See on the left here, this is Soldier Field, where the Bears play. It sucks that it is now completely dark outside. Completely. You spend your whole day indoors, wasting away the sunshine in the winter. Oh, I cannot wait until summer. When you get home from work, you feel like the whole day is still ahead of you. But here we are, we're coming back. This one I got from Anthropology quite some time ago. Look how adorable the bow is. But I still wear aprons to cook. I wonder if other people do. This is my apron. Ta-da! And so it's the end of the day. And we're back where we started with the satin pajamas. I'm going to call it a day. Sorry I didn't show you my cooking or anything, but I just put my apron on, hurry up and started cooking and got that done. And it's the end of the night. And I have a video shoot to do tomorrow at the office. It's some sort of like marketing materials and onboarding materials that we're doing. And so I need to get my rest so I don't get bags under my eyes. I can't do anything about these wrinkles, but I can certainly help the bags. So I wanted to invite you to experience a part of my day. It's not all that exciting, but it is in the heart of the city, and some people do find that to be interesting. Let me know if there's anything that you'd like to see me do, or if you want me to showcase anything in the city. I would be glad to do it. I'm just not glad to do it in the snow, but I would be glad to do it. Let me know what you thought of this video. And then also subscribe, please. Hit that red button for me. Hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. Thank you for joining my channel today.